Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Quick Tech Tips and Reviews. My name is Tony, and with this channel we bring you guys a variety of tech-related content. So, if this is your first time here, be sure to subscribe and hit that little bell down below so that you're alerted to when new content is being released. In today's video, we're going to take a quick look at the Rockville ASM5 Studio Monitors. Okay guys, so I just received the Rockville ASM5 Studio Monitors that I picked up on Amazon for $121.95 for the pair. Let's take a closer look at the monitors. You can see each tweeter and subwoofer. There's a volume control on the right speaker and a headphone out as well. Inside the box, you do get your power cable, a USB cable, a 3.5-inch stereo RCA cable, and then a proprietary left to right speaker connection cable. Included with the price for $121.95, you get the sound speaker foam pads as well. So guys, these are not a high-end speaker. Actually, they're a very budget level speaker. I was looking at these and the mono price speakers, and I ended up going with these. I only use them in my home studio for editing the sound on the YouTube videos, and for that they do more than fine. So let's take a closer look at how I have them set up in the studio itself. All right, guys, so here they are in the studio on my desk to the left and right of the monitor. You can see they are being run off of a Focusrite 2i2 digital interface as well as a DBX286S sound processor. On the back of the right speaker, you have ports for USB, balanced left and right TRS, and unbalanced RCA. You have your power on off, your power cord port, and then to the right of the power cord port, there's the port for the proprietary left and right speaker connection cable. And then on the back of the left speaker is just the port for that speaker connection cable. So guys, if you're looking for a budget level speaker and you don't want to break the bank, these are a great choice. If you're doing high-end music production, you're not going to want these. You're going to want a better quality speaker. But for $121.95, you can't go wrong. For my purposes in a YouTube studio, they're great. They do just exactly what I need them to do. So I'll put the link to these down in the video description down below, along with the cables that I'm using, the Focusrite 2i2 digital interface, and the DBX 286S processor. All right, guys, so that about wraps it up for today. A super quick look at the Rockville ASM5 Studio Monitors. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Check out some of my other videos up above. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share, and use those Amazon affiliate links if you're in the market for something. It doesn't change your price, but it does help out the channel. My name is Tony with Quick Tech Solutions. Thank you for watching. See you next time.